How to schedule a ride in advance on Yango Express. First, you want to open the Yango application, and here you want to select your location where you want to go. After that, here you can select the form of your ride, and by simply tapping on request over here, and by simply tapping on the settings icon over here, you'll see an option called driver's instruction. You want to simply tap on driver instruction, and here you want to type in, and here you want to clarify the instructions to pick you up at this time, as in you want to type in pick up your certain time that you want to apply, and you can simply tap on this done, and the driver will be messaged or notified that you want to be picked up at this designated time. And this is how you can schedule a ride in Yango Express. As you can see, there is not a designated schedule option, so you just want to what you have to do is you have to instruct a driver to pick you up at any time that you prefer. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.